Hello and welcome to all the viewers watching my video. My name is Lucky and I'm the person who's going to tell you all the history, innovation and technology of Dell. How Dell became Dell and who is the founder of the Dell, what's the history, what is their motto, how did they became so strong in PC making industry and how did this company started and what it is today. So let's begin. First of all, you should know what is Dell. Dell, as we all know, is a PC making companies. Now, Dell is an American multinational computer technology company that develops, sells, repairs, and supports computers and related products and services. Named after its founder, Michael Saul Dell, or I'll say Michael S. Dell. The company is one of the largest technology corporations in the world, employing more than 165,000 people in the US and around the world. It is one of the biggest PC product companies in the world. And now let me tell you that how is this company growing day by day. The company is well known for its innovation in supply chain management and electronic commerce. Now you must be thinking, how is it so strong in supply chain management? See, they are having one motto. I will build the product nearby my customer. Because you see, when you open a company, what do you need? You need raw materials, power, labor, water, topography and climates, market, transport, facilities, capital and governmental policies. So what they focus on is topography and climate. So they see where is the topography of customers and where is the market. They set up their factory, their manufacturers there. So that's why the supply chain management is so good. You see, to minimize the delay between the purchase and delivery, Dell has a general policy of manufacturing its product close to its customer. That is why its supply chain management is so good. This allows for implementing a just-in-time manufacturing approach which minimizes inventory cost. Low inventory is another signature of Dell business model, which is a critical consideration in an industry where components depreciate very rapidly. Okay, so this is all about Dell company. Let's see who is his founder. As I told you in the starting, Michael Saul Dell is his founder. Now, let's see about his life a bit. So, who is Michael S. Dell? Michael Saul Dell was born in February 23rd, 1965. He is an American billionaire businessman and he is the founder, chairman and CEO of Dell Technologies, one of the world's largest technology infrastructure companies. You know, he is ranked 27th richest in the world by Forbes with a net worth of 41.8 billion US dollars as of February 2021. Now you can think this person started with $1,000 and today he is having 41.8 billion US dollars. And my friend, US dollar is not less. So let's go in his history, that what he did, how he became Dell, what was his interest in. Michael Dell attended Harrod Elementary School in Houston. He would go on to attend Memorial High School. In a bid to enter business early, he applied to take a high school equivalency exam at age 8. Now you must be thinking, or you should think, if you're not thinking, that this person at the age of 8, where kids play, they play games or they enjoy their life, he took admission in a business school. Now you must be wondering why. Why would he do that? Because he always had interest in investment. So now let's go on and see what else he did. In his early teens, he invested his earning from a part-time jobs in stocks and precious metals. You think at his teenager's age, he invested in stocks. Now you must be curious, and you know that if you invest in stocks, how much faster you would grow. He did the same. Dell purchased his first calculator at the age of 7 and encountered an early teletype terminal in junior high. After age 15, At the age of 15, after playing with computers at Radio Shack, he got his first computer, an Apple II. And you must be thinking that this boy earned himself so much money, now he bought a computer. And for what? You must be shocked. He bought a computer just to check that how it works. He opened the computer, he disassembled it, he dismantled it and checked that how it worked. And my friend, that time the cost of Apple II computer was 129 US dollars. And at that time 129 US dollars is a lot of amount. His parents wanted him to be a doctor. In order to please them, he took up pre-med in University of Texas in 1983. Now you must be thinking that if he took pre-med in University of Texas, then how is he in technology? He should be in medical. But my friend, again, if he would have listened to his parents and if he wouldn't have pursued his passion, then would he be Dell today? Would this computer which you're getting in so cheap would be today? So the first lesson of this case study is here. Always try to pursue your passion, because if you won't pursue your passion, you cannot grow, because your parents knows the right for you, but you are the one who knows right for you that what you have to do in your life. Because if you took up a field from which your parents said to take it, that it's having more scope, but if you don't have interest in that field, what is the meaning of it? If you want to be a photographer but your parents say to be a dancer, how can you be a dancer if you have interest in photography? Of course you cannot. You cannot succeed in that field because you don't know how to do it. You have no interest in it. And the same he did. Now Dell continued learning to target specific populations for newspaper subscription rather than just making cold calls, and earned $18,000 that summer. $18,000. Today, if I convert it to any amount, any currency in the world, it's so much. You think at that time he earned it. Now he hired several employees and after earning a gross profit of nearly $200,000 in his first year of business. Now when he saw this, that I got so much of profit, he dropped out his college. And then at the age of 19, he opened his company. Now the company employed a few people as orders takers and a few more to fill the orders. And Dell recalled a manufacturing staff consisting of 3 guys with screwdrivers sitting at 6-foot tables. Now the venture's capitalization cost was just $1,000. Now see, he started his Dell companies with $1,000. Now, in 1992, at the age of 27, he became the youngest CEO of the company. And now he is the CEO of his own company. And he was ranked in Fortune magazine's listed of top 500 corporations in 1996. Now, in 1996, Dell started selling computers over web. The same year, the company has launched its first servers. Now, Dell Inc. soon reported about $1 million in sale per day from Dell.com. Now, think his company growth in profit grew and grew and grew. In the first quarter of 2001, Dell Inc. reached about making the world's share of 12.8%, surpassing Compaq to become the world's largest PC maker. The matrix marked the combined shipments of desktop, notebooks, and servers grew 34.3% worldwide and 30.7% in the United States at the time when competitors' sales were shrinking. And did I just forget to tell you that when he started his company in 1985, the company produced the first computer of its own design, the Turbo PC. And you know for how many dollars it sold? $795. You may think that time $795 his first computer was sold. And as you can see, I'm showing you right now the logos of Dell. Now this was Dell's first logo from 1987 to 1989. Then Dell thought to improve it. Then Dell's former logo was used from 1989 to 2010. And now its logo is this. So it means second lesson you learn from this case study. Always learn and grow. And that we used to do, but no one follows it because we are always searching that how to be successful. My friend, if you won't practice it, then how will you be successful? If you are not practicing what you saw, how will you be successful? If you are having books, but you're not studying the books, then if you will go in an exam, then what will you score? The same case is here. You're just searching how to be successful, but you are not practicing it. So, my recommendations, always see a case study and run from it. Now as you know, market runs on demand and supply. This person at that time, when he was at a very young age, started investments. And today where he is. All we need to learn from this person is investment. Okay? So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press bell icon, and like this video and share it to your friends, and especially if they're in business, so they know what Michael Dell did that time and what he is today and what your business friends should do today. Thank you.